Hi, welcome to my channel Python All Day. Today I will show you how to create your very first PC game, and we're gonna be using Python. Okay, so now I am in PyCharm, and first thing you need to do is to open your terminal, and you need to install the pygame here. So you type pipe install pygame. As you can see, I have already installed the pygame, but you should see some loading screen from installing the pygame. And after you install the pygame, you type here import pygame to import the library. And after that, we can import the sys. It's just default from Python, so we can close the project before the code ends. And yes, that's it. We got imported pygame. Now we're going to initialize the Python. So we the pygame. We type pygame.init, and that's the starting point from where the pygame is started. Yes. Now we need to create a window, so we create some parameters for that, such as width. I will set it for 400, and the height I will set 2 to 400. Okay, and now we need to create the window, so we can do it like assigning the variable. You can name it as you like, but I will name it screen. And here I type pygame.display.setMode, and here I can put the values of width and height in tuple, because tuple is immutable. Okay, and here I can name the screen maybe, so I will type pygame.display.setCaption, and here type my name. I will name it first window. Okay, I think that's good. And now we need to create the thing that's called the main game loop. And in the main game loop you handle all of the events, and you interact with the user and all the things you see on the screen. So I will type here a command because it's more readable. And the main game loop, and here I will type just simple while loop. Someone declares here a variable, but I won't do it. I will just type while true, and inside this I will type for event in pygame.event.get. Yes, so it would iterate for each event. And here I type if event. We are doing the closing event. If you click on the red cross to close the window, so we will handle this. If event dot type is equal to pygame dot quit, we quit the pygame by pygame dot quit, and after that we need to close the whole code by typing sys dot exit. And I think this code will work. Yes, I think this will create a window. We can try it. Yes, and it works. So it's just some basic window, but as we progress more in the tutorial, it will become a very playable and good game. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Bye.